Ever wondered why your car's performance seems to be slipping lately? Or why those strange noises keep popping up under the hood? Well, chances are you're inadvertently committing one of the many automotive faux pas that car owners unknowingly make. Join us on this eye-opening journey as we uncover the 20 most common mistakes that can wreak havoc on your car's health and longevity. You'll be amazed at how seemingly harmless actions can have such detrimental consequences. But don't fret. We're not just here to point out your automotive blunders. We're also here to provide you with the knowledge and tools to transform yourself from a clueless car owner into a savvy auto expert. So strap in, gear up, and prepare to have your automotive misconceptions shattered. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks that will keep your vehicle running like a dream. Neglecting regular maintenance. Keep your car in good working order for a long time. It includes rotating tires, checking the brakes, changing the oil, and more. Ignoring these vital services might have a cascading effect of issues. Uneven tire wear impacts handling, worn-out brakes can be dangerous, and dirty oil can harm the engine. Regular maintenance has costs associated with it that are frequently significantly more than the cost of the